Imagine this. A distant planet 700 trillion miles away could be teeming with alien life, swimming in a massive ocean under a hydrogen sky. Scientists using the James Webb Space Telescope have just uncovered the strongest evidence yet that life might exist on a faraway world called K218b. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's happening right now. Could this be the moment we've been waiting for? The proof that we're not alone in the universe? Stick around, because today we're diving into the mind-blowing details of this discovery, what it means for humanity, and why this planet's secrets could change everything. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the biggest stories in science, space, and the universe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the cosmos. Today, we're talking about a discovery that's got astronomers buzzing and could rewrite the history books. It's all about K218b, a planet 124 light-years away that's showing signs of life. Yes, life. Let's unpack this incredible story step by step and explore what it means for our place in the galaxy. First off, let's set the scene. K218b isn't just any planet. It's a super-Earth about 2.5 times the size of our own world, orbiting a small red star in a region astronomers call the habitable zone. That's the sweet spot where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. This planet is 700 trillion miles away. Wrap your head around that distance. To put it in perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 124 years to get there. Yet thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're able to peer into its atmosphere from right here on Earth. That's the kind of technology we're working with, and it's absolutely wild. So what's got scientists so excited? About 18 months ago, researchers first picked up faint traces of gas molecules in K218b's atmosphere that hinted at something extraordinary. These weren't just any molecules. They were chemicals that, on Earth, are produced by living organisms, specifically marine life like plankton. Fast forward to today, and the evidence has grown stronger. The team, led by Professor Madhusudan, says this is the most compelling sign of extraterrestrial life we've ever seen. The signal is so strong that if life exists on K218b, it's not just a few microbes. It could be abundant, thriving in a vast ocean beneath the planet's hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Now let's talk about how we're even detecting this. The James Webb Space Telescope is a game changer. It's like a cosmic detective analyzing the light from K218b's star as it passes through the planet's atmosphere. That light carries a chemical fingerprint, revealing what's floating around up there. On K218b, scientists found signs of molecules like dimethyl sulfide, something that, on Earth, only comes from living things. Imagine that, a chemical signature from 700 trillion miles away, pointing to life. It's the kind of discovery that makes you stop and think about how far we've come. But here's the catch, and there's always a catch, right? While the evidence is exciting, it's not a slam dunk yet. The data is tentative, and scientists need more observations to confirm these molecules are really there. Even if they are, there's a chance they could be produced by something other than life. The universe is a weird place, and strange geophysical processes, like volcanoes or chemical reactions we don't fully understand, could mimic these signals. Professor Madhusudan and his team are working on a scientific paper to lay out their findings, but they're clear, more data is key. They're hoping to get a clearer picture within the next 1 to 2 years, which could either solidify this discovery or point us in a new direction. Let's zoom out for a second and think about what this means. If we confirm life on K218b, it wouldn't just be a cool fact to share at parties. It would fundamentally change our understanding of the universe. As Professor Madhusudan puts it, finding life on this planet would suggest that life is probably common across the galaxy. Think about that. If a planet 124 light-years away has life, how many other worlds out there do too? There are billions of planets in our galaxy alone, and K218b might be just the first of many we study in this way. This could be the start of a new era in astronomy, where we're not just finding planets, but finding inhabited planets. Now let's get to know K218b a bit better. This planet isn't like Earth in a lot of ways. For one, it's massive. 2.5 times our size. Scientists think it's a water world with a deep ocean stretching across its surface covered by a thick atmosphere of hydrogen. If there's life there, it's probably swimming around in that ocean, maybe looking nothing like the fish or plankton we know. The planet's star is a red dwarf, much smaller and cooler than our sun, but K218b orbits close enough to stay warm and cozy. It's not a place humans could visit anytime soon, but it's a perfect candidate for studying life from afar. One thing I love about this story is how it highlights the power of human curiosity. Think about it. We're analyzing the atmosphere of a planet so far away that its light takes 124 years to reach us, and we're doing it with a telescope floating in space. The James Webb Space Telescope is humanity's greatest tool for exploring the cosmos right now, and it's delivering results that would have seemed impossible just a decade ago. This is why space exploration matters. It's not just about pretty pictures of nebulae. It's about answering the biggest questions we have, like whether we're alone in the universe. But K218b isn't the only place we're looking for life. Closer to home, scientists are eyeing the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus. These moons have subsurface oceans that could harbor life, and spacecraft are already being planned to investigate them. Finding life in our own solar system would be huge, but discovering it on a distant planet like K218b, that would be next level. It's like comparing finding a fish in your backyard pond to spotting one in a galaxy far, far away. So, when might we get a definitive answer? The researchers say they could confirm the presence of these molecules within 2 years, but proving they come from life will take longer. Scientists will debate whether these gases are biological or just some weird natural phenomenon. Chemists might try to recreate them in a lab, and astronomers will look for similar signals on other planets. It's a slow, careful process, but that's how science works. Every step brings us closer to the truth. And honestly, that's what makes this so exciting. We're on the cusp of something massive, and we're all along for the ride. Before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room. K218b is a terrible name. I mean, come on, astronomers. Give this planet something poetic. There are billions of planets out there, so they use letters and numbers to keep track. But still, this one deserves better. Maybe we should start a petition to rename it something like Oceanis or Aqua Prime. What do you think? Drop your name ideas in the comments below. All right, let's bring it home. The discovery on K218b is a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. Whether it's alien plankton swimming in a distant ocean or something totally unexpected, every clue we find brings us closer to answering that age-old question: are we alone? For now, we wait for more data, but the fact that we're even having this conversation is incredible. This is why I love covering stories like this. It's not just news, it's the story of humanity reaching out to the stars. What do you think about K218b? Are you convinced there's life out there, or do you think we need more proof? Let me know in the comments, and while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to stay on top of the latest space discoveries, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. We've got more cosmic stories coming your way, so you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.